Rolling?
Put some electric shield on it. These two rods. These guys. This one. Guess what I did? Put this on with the rods facing down. So now I get to take it apart. Like that. Rod up here. So. And that one. Oh, the other one's already up there. So it was just the one. Okay. Cool. I'll hold them up there. Put this back in. There we go. There's the two rods. And the bottom one, which is the one without the spring, which is it faces this way, so it would be the bottom one, would be the first one to put in. The one with the door lock that goes click click. The top one's slotted. You can just drop it in. With the bottom one, you have to face it down. There we go. That's it. Now we just do it like that, and then raise it up. Top one. Now, where's the top one at? Top one. Got them twisted. So I get to take it off again. What happened was the top was down here and I can't because it was twisted. There we go. And then the top one. I don't know if you can see that with the camera. See how it's a lot easier to get on because it's got slots. See? It just goes right on. I'm going to put the wire under here. I think that's the way it was. And put this guy. It goes back the same way it came out. The very bottom one first. Just going to get that up under there. Just kind of bounce it in. There we go. And then the top one up here. It goes in the slot, it goes to the right, and it lines up. There we go. Works good. I have this stuff for the window slides, or I use on the window slides where the actual glass goes. It's heavy duty silicone, it's clear. It's a silicone lubricant, it's real thin. I'm just going to spray up through those guides, all the way down those guides, where the glass actually sits. It's hard to see with the camera down through there. These guides where the glass actually slides, and there'll be a little excess on the glass. That's okay, we can wipe it off later. But that'll help lubricate those tracks with something clear that'll stay. I'm putting some synthetic grease on the slide. Couldn't have enough of it. There we go. Grease it up. It's cold weather, you know. It'll be hard for it to move, so I'll prevent that. There's sort of a mix of different lubricants, just to kind of help it in extreme cold and stuff. And line it up with the track in the bottom, slide it down in there. Now come around this side, you can see over here. Alright. I'll have to get this thing back in the track. Little ball joint there. And it's a little more than you can do with your fingers. So give me those pliers right there. Give it a little squeeze. Trying not to break the glass, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna jump and pop when it goes in, so. There we go. That's it. Let's see if it works. I gotta plug in the controller, I suppose, to test it. Lock and unlock. Sounds good, looks good. Let's turn the key on. Now, I don't have this membrane that goes here. It's on back order. So I'm going to put it on without it for now. I didn't see that in the camera. It's got a tear.
Mm-hmm.
It's just got some wear on it. So I'm just gonna open this up and fill it with a little bit of silicone so it'll dry. That's okay there. Just a crack. Just to sort of give it a little bit of something there. It's probably where ice and salt and snow and stuff got in it. A little bit. Yeah, it's not quite in there. There we go. I just had to push it that way a little bit. We don't need to cross the top. It used to hang up. It was binding up and you could hear it slowing down, and it's just so nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Feels like new. I guess that's about it. Now that I've set this a couple of times, I close it on it. I'm going to go ahead and finish tightening these up. There we go. We'll check it one last time with it tight. Beautiful. Because a couple of these little tabs broke, I'm going to do this right here. So I had to do the other side. Nice big blob on each one. And that way it'll come apart again. If I ever need to take it off, it'll come out because the silicone. Take it out. We'll allow it to come out. That's it. Try and get it on there. Alright, go ahead and shut the key off. And we're done. Maybe that will help somebody out there that has to take their door apart, you know, maybe on the side of the road or something, or has to do work on it themselves. It's not a how-to video, you know, it's just me taking it apart and sharing my experience with other people. So good luck, and everybody be safe out there on the roads.